trailer is concerned, people have really liked it. Couple of lakhs of hits on YouTube. Pappy Sardar has to look like Pappy Sardar, not like Tushar. Trump card of this film, that character. The music, we already have Chandni O Meri Chandni, which is a super hit track from the 89.
रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख दिया तेरा नाम.
The trailer is concerned, people have really liked it. We introduced it in a Dirty Picture. That's when we started the promotion, 2.5 months back. And it's gotten a couple of lakhs of hits on YouTube, which is a good number. From my recent films, I think this is a very high number. So I'm happy, and on Twitter there's been a good response to Pappy Sardar also. I'm going to start appearing as Pappy Sardar whenever I come into the media, because that's something that I think is going to be the trump card of this film, that character. And I'm looking forward to really introducing myself to the media as Pappy Sardar very soon.
पप्पी सरदार की तरफ से बंटी के लिए एक फ्लावर.
Thank you.
The credit goes to the get-up, the beard, the pagdi, I think something about all that put together, it makes me unrecognizable. So set par bhi, I remember Anupam ji was not able to recognize me. He was wondering who this guy is walking around, and then finally got to know that it's me. So that's something that makes half the battle won. The rest is the performance, of course. But if you can come across as somebody else, because in the film also, Pappy Sardar has to look like Pappy Sardar, not like Tushar. Why? How? You have to see that in the film now. I hope people really like this character the way people on set like it.
The night is young and so are we. तो आजा दे दे मुझे एक झप्पी.
हाय हाय मेरे पप्पी.
The film, as the title suggests, 4 दिन की चांदनी, मतलब एक शादी हो रही होती है, मेरी बहन की शादी 4 दिनों के लिए. And I am the son of this royal king called Anupam Kher ji. I've come back from London from an education abroad, and I brought my girlfriend, but मैं उसका खुलासा नहीं करता उनके सामने. I tell him something else only. बहुत सारी ड्रामेबाजी होती है इन 4 दिनों में, बहुत सारा रोमांस होता है, बहुत सारी मस्ती होती है. क्या होता है इन 4 दिनों में? Basically that's what the film is about. Veer is, as you would believe, he's very royal, young-blooded character who's very obedient, very classy, very held back. And Pappy is the exact opposite. He's loud, brash, uncouth, abusive. Veer is the ideal son-in-law any family, any parents would like, and Pappy is the most unideal candidate for a son-in-law. So they're diametrically opposite.
पप्पी सरदार, इतनी देर कहाँ लगा दी?
ओए टट्टी कर रहा था. तेनू कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
होता भी नहीं.
I think the script, the fact that it's an out-and-out masala entertainer coming from Sameer Karnik, and of the genre which Yamla Pagla Deewana belong to, so you could say Yamla Pagla Deewana Part 2. The music, we already have Chandni O Meri Chandni, which is a super hit track from the 89. So all these factors put together makes it a very good, interesting commercial package, and that's the reason why I signed. बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा ऐसे. मैंने सोचा कि बस गाना चल जाए, वही काफ़ी है, और उसके लिए हमें मतलब पूरी एनर्जी के साथ डांस करना पड़ेगा. Whether we do it with them or not doesn't matter, but if we do it nicely, we just had fun. मतलब हम लोग जहाँ शूट कर रहे थे, हम लोग बस enjoy कर रहे थे. It's a great experience only because 30-40 of us, all the characters in the film were living together, eating together, working out together. When so many people are together, the waiting period between shots becomes a lot of fun.
चांदनी ओ मेरी चांदनी.
I'm not entirely a producer, but a part producer. I have a contribution, I have an investment in the film, a contribution. So I'll have some share in the profits. It's not that I've produced the film or anything. It's just a co-producer. Yeah. Kulraj is, she's very new. She's just done 2 films. So in that sense, she's learning every day. But as a person, she's just like Chandni in the film. She's an extrovert. She's someone who's not very held back. She's free-spirited, talkative, funny. Very North Indian. I think so she fits the character completely. I think I can't see someone else doing this role. Maybe a Kareena or somebody who's also got a North Indian look to her. Like Geet in Jab We Met. Chandni also has that North Indian feel about her. So I think very few girls in the industry can carry off such a role. Kya Super Cool Hai Hum, as you can understand from the title itself, is a sequel to the earlier Kya Cool Hai Hum. And it's again a sex comedy about 2 guys, 2 losers trying to make money and trying to find love in life. Shooter Badala is the prequel to Shooter Lokhandwala. Highlights the story behind the first encounter which took place in, I believe, 79, when it all began, encounters. I'm not too sure about the date, but it brings out the story behind the first encounter which took place even before, encounters became common, even before Dawood and his gang became famous. I'm playing Sheikh Munir, who's Mania Surve's close confidant, partner in crime. They were the ones who went against Dawood and Sabir when Dawood's brother was one of the dons in Bombay. So The Pathans were actually ruling Mumbai at that time, and Dawood and Sabir were coming up. And during that time, Manya and Sheikh Munir were also gang members of another gang. And how these three groups intermingled and what happened that led to the first encounter is what Shooter of Adala is about. After that, of course, there's Bhaiya Ji Super, which is an action comedy with Sunny, Arshad and myself, directed by Neeraj Pathak. And there is a film with Shashant Shah, who made Chalo Dili. And that's going to be produced by Horseshoe Pictures and directed by Shashant Shah.